We are often asked, what are some of the ramp configuration options that are available to me? Thanks to the modular system of National Ramp products, our platforms and ramps can be put into almost any layout. Here are a few layouts that we built for customers using our ramp configurator. Left turn with no starting platform. Starting platforms are rarely needed when you have a ramp that starts straight off of a porch or deck. The 90-degree left turn platform allows this user to go from the home to the driveway. Straight with no starting platform. The large deck of this mobile home gives the user enough room to turn from the front door and enter the ramp from the side closest to the driveway, removing the need for platforms. Ramp with pie platform. A pie platform allows the ramp to turn 45 degrees to line up with a curved sidewalk. Right turn with the starting platform. When the front door is more than 5 inches high, your ramp should start with a platform. Ask your dealer how you can maintain porch access off the platform using a gate, step system, or additional ramping. Right turn with a switchback. Switchback platforms allow for the ramp to change direction by 180 degrees, allowing you to maximize sloped ramping on your property. Straight with starting platform and landing pad. Our 5x5 landing pads can be turned to face the exit direction of your ramp. Straight with no platform. When your ramp goes straight off a porch and ends on a solid surface, you may not need a platform at all. While these are some of the most common options, it's not an exhaustive list. Your ramp could have multiple types of turns, and we can also create a solution to work around trees, gardens, HVAC units, and more. Contact National Ramp today to be connected with the local dealer and ask to see a ramp configuration of your layout during your evaluation.